Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on a Realme C55. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store, then find Firefox and install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Here continue, allow, and then you can choose your theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings, read the privacy notice, and then click on start browsing. Now we can open any website, and as you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.